Hi dear viewers, welcome once again to my channel. Today I'd like to introduce a system that is called, you can say, Rotavapor. By using this system you will be able to, by using this specific system you will be able to uh, dry a specific mixture. Actually in the mixture you will be able to see that there will be you can say availability of products. Along with this there will be the presence of different kinds of solvents. When we would like to complete a reaction using a round bottle or RB bottle, then obviously in this specific RB bottle there will be you can say a starting material, acylating agent or different kinds of agents, and after completing a reaction it will create a product. And when you'd like to get product, then obviously you have to get rid of different kinds of solvents. So that's why we would like to use this specific Rotavapor. By means of using this specific operating system or system, we will be able to get rid of different kinds of solvents. So with a view to dry our you can say mixture in the RB bottle, we will use this specific operating system. At first you are seeing that in the right hand portion that is called heating bath, and in the middle portion the part of this specific operating system that is called, you can say, Rotavapor, and the third on, or you can say in the third portion that is called, you can say, it's a vacuum pump. Actually when you'd like to use this specific system, then you have to concern about each and every parts, because without being careful you will not able to dry your mixture properly. So that's it. In the, you can say, in the left hand side you are seeing that it's another part or component of this specific system. Actually the function of this specific system to, you can say, cool the water, and this cool water it transferred to this specific you can say tube that is located in the, you can say, Rotavapor portion, and it will, you can say, condense the solvents. Actually at first we are seeing that in the first portion that is a heating bath, it will heat this specific amount of water, and it will you can say, when the water will be, you can say, hot, then it will transfer the heat to the, you can say, that is called the RB bottle, and it will vaporize the overall mixture. And when the vaporization will be done, then this vaporized molecule will be condensed by using the by contact with the, you can say, cool water in this specific tube. So that's it. When you'd like to use this specific system, then obviously you have to use this RB bottle, that is called RB bottle, that is rotating. We are using you can say a rotator, and by means of rotating actually it will really, you can say, mix properly, and the drying process will be done properly. And we have used a clip in this junction point, or the junction point of adapter and RB, so that it cannot loose, it can easily dry. So that's it. And when you'd like to add properly, then we have. And if you'd like to rotate the specific RB bottle in a, you can say, higher range, then you can use this specific button. We can increase this specific button, you can say 4, 5 or 6. When you'd like to increase this specific value, it will the rotation of this specific RB will be higher. When you'd like to decrease this specific regulator, then the rotation will be RB bottle will be lower. Then it totally depends actually what kind of rotation you'd like to see, you'd like to use to properly drying. So that's it. So guys, another things that is the portion of, you can say, heating bath. If you'd like to increase the temperature of the specific you can say water, you have to keep in your mind that in this specific heating bath you have to use distilled water, because when you will use you can say normal water, then it can, you can say, it can occur the corrosion of this specific steel. So we have to use distilled water, and we have to keep the volume of water approximately you can say upper portion of this specific heating bath. So that's it. And the next one, if you'd like to increase the temperature, then you can use this specific button that is called, you can say, upper arrow, it's a lower arrow. When you'd like to use this upper arrow, then the temperature will be increased. When you'd like to use lower arrow, then temperature will be decreased. So guys, that's it. You have to be concerned. And the next one, you have to check it out. When you'd like to use, then you have to when you'd like to use this specific system, then you have to careful about this specific glass rod. That is a, you can say, you have to use grease or glycerin type compound to be, you can say, smooth. to keep this specific portion very smooth, and you will be able to dry properly, and there will not any kind of problem. So that's it. And the next one we'd like to see, you have to keep in your mind that in case of using or in case of applying this specific system, actually when we will complete our overall drying, then obviously we can change this specific handle to the lower portion, so that this specific pore and the lower pore will be aligned, and the vapor or vacuum will be released, and we can easily you can say open this specific RB. And if you'd like to properly dry, then you have to use chloroform, so that when you'd like to use chloroform, then properly drying will be done. Actually, at first, when the reaction will be done, we have used chloroform, and we have used this system, and after when the solvent will be about to end or complete, then we have again used chloroform, so that overall drying is done properly. And the next one, we will use silica, so that the drying of our mixture will be really awesome. So that's it, guys. So if you have any questions that is related to Rotavapor or heating bath or vacuum pump, then you can share your comments, share your queries in the comment box. I'll try my best to assist you as far as I know. So guys, stay tuned, stay connected with this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for watching this kind of videos. Thank you.